Okay, let's start this video. Why does my phone keep sliding like that? Okay, so you guys, I am going to check out this app called Reverse Talk, and I will see if I can guess what sounds like teddy bear in reverse. I really don't know how to say teddy bear in reverse. I guess it's bear teddy. Bear teddy. That's a different reverse. It's like, it's not reverse, but that's backwards. So, that's just kind of hard. Let me see if teddy bear says Rebby S. Rebby S. This is gonna creep me out. It worked! Oh my gosh, it said teddy bear. Did you not? It said teddy bear. Oh my. But first, I'm going to try Poppy the Troll. I forgot. So I'm going to do Poppy the Troll and see what it sounds like in reverse. Poppy the... Rebby S. Oh. I made a mistake. Popcorn. Let's try that one instead. Ochbach. Ochbach. It said popcorn. Play-Doh. 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 If you. Wait. It didn't say Play-Doh that time. Let me say Angry Birds. Angry Birds. Syrupinha. Angry Birds. It said Angry Birds. This is so cool. Angry Birds. It said Angry Birds. I'm about to go crazy right now. This is so fun and crazy and weird and kind of creepy of how the reverse sounds like. But let me say remote, and if I say it in reverse talk, then maybe it would say remote. Remote. Okay, let's see if I can say it in reverse now. Rub you. Remote. It said remote. Rub you. When I said rub you, that's what it sounds like if I say remote. Okay, let's say paper. Paper. Rub yeah. It said paper. Okay, let's try shirt. Shirt. Shush. I didn't get it right that time. Let's try again. Shush. I need to try that again. Hold on. Shirt. Ish. That was nothing like that. Okay, let's try TV. TV. Evis. It said TV. Let me find the hearing button. If you can't hear that, then I really don't know what to do about that. Okay, let's see what it sounds like. I said Evis. And it said TV. Wait, I'm not ready. Okay, let's try teeth. Oh, come on, this ad again. I don't have time for this. This is just wasting my time. Finally. And this time, guys, I am going to show you what it looks like. Instead of just, like, not showing you and stuff. Okay, let's try teeth. Teeth. East. It said teeth. Okay. When I said east, it said teeth. And I said teeth at the first time. And then when it was in reverse, it said east. And when I put it on the reverse one, it said teeth. Okay, that might confuse you. But that is actually what happened. So let's try lotion. Lotion. Sure. It said lotion. Okay, let's try toilet. Oh well. Toilet. It bounced. It said toilet in such a funny way. It said toilet. That's so funny. By the way, you guys, guess what? I don't have to go to school, and it is Tuesday, and everybody else is still in school. And no, I am not sick. It's just that I kind of lost my bracelet, my UNICEF bracelet, but we're not going to talk about that. But I already found it, but there's a very big rain coming soon, so I can't go to school. Nope. Okay, let's get back to this. Okay, I don't know why I just did that. That's just going to get me distracted. Okay, I know what to say. Hat. Let's try hat. Hat. I messed up. Hat. It's a. It said hat. What? What? Okay, let's try table. That is scary. Made my stomach have butterflies in it. Okay, what were we saying again? Oh yeah, hat. Wait, I forgot. Oh, it's table. Table. Hookmess. It said table. I said hookmess. and it said table. Car. It said car. Maybe in a British accent. I said accent. That might be French. Okay, let's get to the video now. I'm already in the video, but we're getting in the middle of the video. So, my battery's on 7, and I guess we're not in the video anymore. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!